Okay, here's the key dry spices in a set for making a very famous Thai breast beef and pork noodle soup. There are many brands in Thailand, but this is my preference. I love the aroma and its unique rich flavor. If you happen to go to Thailand, bring many of them back. If you cannot, let's explore what is there inside. So that you can find some ingredients here. so we really know it. So let me see what is it. Okay, then you know it. Maybe we can trying to find the ingredient here. Okay. Okay, let's see how many type of spice they have. Well, this one we know it's cinnamon stick. We have it, you have it, and it's very easy to find in the supermarket. And this one, no, I don't know what it is, but we're gonna find out later. Likewise, this one, I don't know it either. I don't know that. But we're gonna try put attempt on trying to figure it out. This one, dry leaf. Oh my goodness, when I bite it, it's very, very bitter. But anyhow, maybe some ingredient here that bitter test produce the same kind. And what about this? This one is, oh my, it's very easy for you. It's coriander seeds. We are familiar with this one. Okay, let's explore the 3 ingredients or the 3 spices that we don't know yet. So I soak it in the water and then let it sit for a while. And then the taste is coming out, the flavor is coming out. When I bite this one, I tear off and I found this texture. It pretty close to galangal. Yep, and I think it's really a galangal. And if you remember, we also have an ingredient of galangal, but in a kind of like a powder version. So we're gonna use that for this one. Okay, next, this one is the sweet root. Okay, we're gonna use the gaji berry because it's pretty sweet flavor too. Next to this one, it's very difficult. You know, the longer I let it sit, it's very bitter. So I think we can use the bay leaf for this one. Oh, we complete everything now. Okay, from my assumptions, so I put it on test, make it work. It really worked.